Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate an average in Excel. Let's get started. We'll be using the data in this table to demonstrate how to calculate the mean value in Excel using the practical average function. Imagine you need to find out the average number of sales per quarter and per employee over the past year. As you may already know, you should begin by selecting the cell where we want the result to appear. In this case, let's choose cell G3. Here, we'll determine the average number of sales Kim made across all 4 quarters. Start by typing the equal sign, and then type the word average. Excel will promptly provide you with various similar functions that start with the same letters. To calculate the standard average value, simply double-click on Average. Next, specify the group of numbers from which you want to calculate the average. Click on cell C3, then hold and drag your selection to reach cell F3. This tells Excel that these are the numbers to include in the average calculation. Of course, instead of clicking and dragging, you can directly input the range of selected cells into the brackets within the average function. Simply reference the starting cell, add a colon, and then reference the last cell to be included in the calculation. Once done, press Enter and see the result. The function has helped us calculate the average number of sales Kim made per quarter. In fact, you would obtain the same result by summing Kim's quarterly sales figures and dividing the total by the number of quarters, which is 4. However, the average function streamlines this process, making it quicker and more straightforward. One important thing to note is that if you change data within the selected range of cells, the average function automatically recalculates the result. For instance, if you replace Q1 value with 271 with the number 320, the average will adjust accordingly in the target cell. This ensures that the result is always up to date. And we're not done just yet. If you need to calculate the average number of sales per quarter for other individuals in the table, it's very easy. Click on the cell with the formula, position the pointer over the lower right corner to reveal a little plus sign, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag through all the cells where you want the formula to calculate the averages. Simple, right? The average values per quarter have now been calculated for other employees as well. You can use the same method to calculate the average per employee for each quarter in individual columns. This formula works with any group of cells you need. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.